I'm gonna start welding this side in over here. I got it welded up. Now I'm going to start grinding away. Then I'll go back and touch up any spots I need to weld up again. The floor welded, started grinding it, did a little couple touch-up welds. Now I'm gonna weld on the jack point. This is the old one. Had to pop it off. Looks like someone ran into something. So. This is the old one here. Popped it off. I need to straighten up this piece a little bit more. Hammer dolly this. Get this up in there. Probably measure the other side to see exactly where it's supposed to go. I mean, there's already, does have these holes there from when they welded it last time, so I have a good guide. But I'm gonna take a hammer and dolly, try to flatten this out a little bit, and then I'm gonna weld this in. Probably clean off some more of this paint before I weld it, but it's gonna go right up in there. Pull that down too, it looks like. That'll be the next task here. Let's see if I can. Probably not. I might have to pull off the. Might have to straighten this out after I pull off the running board. Let's see. Hammer dolly. Let's see if I can get a dolly in there. I can get a hammer in there. Probably not. Hit this with this. maybe I'll try C-clamp and clamp that down. Maybe that'll flatten it out. Grab the C-clamp here. See if I can get that maybe to pinch it together. If it'll fit on here. Taking this running board off might be the best choice. There we go. If that's gonna do it or not here, let's see. Trying to flatten it out so I have a nice flat surface weld on. Oh, yeah, flatten it out pretty dang good. Let's try this one. Okay. See how that looks? Yeah, much better. Go. A lot flatter there. Can't get up in there really at all. I'm gonna go look at the other side. I don't know if this thing's supposed to be smashing into that or what. So, let's see what we got. Other side there. Go take a look. Okay. So, I think I need to trim this, because it's definitely sticking up too high compared to this and this. If you look at here, it's pretty flat. When I put when I put this up on the other side, it's definitely smashing into that. So I'm gonna smooth this out. First, and then I'm gonna try to measure from here to there. See kind of roughly where it goes. 5 3/4 to the center point from the edge of the fender. Center point, 5 3/4. All right, I'm gonna we'll trim this off here, and then we'll go to the other side and see how well it fits. Now it's not sticking up right there. Go give that a try and see if it hits the bottom. Oh, hello. See if that still hits or not. Give it a little love here. There we go. Still hitting a little there. I might shave off some more. Put gloves on this time. See how that fits. Here, now I can kind of move it a little more, which is nice. So it's not all jammed in there as bad. A lot of it is just, it's all pushed around. Need to flatten this out before I weld it. Let's see where that's at here. Okay. A little better. Not perfect, but definitely a little better there. Try a little bit more here. Place. All right. Pretty happy with that. I think I'm gonna grind a tiny bit more there. I'm gonna, if it's welded on the inside. There's already holes ripped out, so I'm gonna weld it from the inside down, and then I'm also just gonna tack it on the outside up in here. And then there's a hole here. I'm gonna weld that hole and the hole over here to the two tabs that are sticking out here. But I might as well tack it up here too. Why not? It's extra strength. So I'm gonna grind off some of this paint and get it prepped. That'll be next. I'm gonna do the bigger wire wheel. Got it in place. I ended up measuring off there, the inside of that edge to there, just so I had a better line on both sides. So I'm at 4 and 1 notch over 3/4. So I'm gonna weld that. All right, I'm gonna weld these here.
Got the jack point all welded in. Now I'm cleaning up all the weld from the underside. It's going around the whole entire floor section and grinding it down.
Got it welded in, ground down. I need to vacuum. There's like a pile here. And then I'm gonna DA all of it with 80 grit and be done for the day.
DA in it here with 80 grit. Here I got underneath and DA'd the underside of the floor section. Get it ready for some primer.
So 2 old pieces. See through. My dirty face after doing all that. You see where I was wearing my mask. It's pretty gross. I recommend always wearing a mask, safety glasses, if you can.
Here I was spraying some self-etching primer just to get something on the bare metal. And then I'll eventually paint it with POR 15.
Put it back on all 4 tires because I need to get up into my attic. So I gotta move my car. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back down on the ground. And then I borrowed some taller jack stands. That's what these are. They'll go up higher than the little ones I have. So I borrowed those from my father-in-law. So I'm gonna get this moved out of the way, pull the Christmas decoration totes down, and then we can put the Christmas stuff away and put them back up in the attic. And then I'll eventually put the car back over here, jack it up higher so I can spray, or I need to clean off the rest of the undercoating underneath, and then I'm gonna put Raptor liner, bed liner underneath the floor pan. So I wanna get it as high as I can so it's easier to spray. But for now, I'm just gonna put all 4s back on, move it out of the way,